Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold closed around 3240 area. And remember 326070 from our previous video? Yes, 326070 worked as a super strong resistance. Market struggled around 326070 for 7 to 8 hours and ultimately market had to surrender. Okay, so this was a super strong resistance for the gold chart yesterday. But yes, NFP was also there. But sadly, the NFP was disappointing. I'm not talking about the numbers here. The numbers were good for dollar, bad for gold, but the excitement, the volume, the crazy volatility is missing these days. If you have been trading for a couple of months and years, you must remember that there used to be big candles at the time of NFP and CPI. Those days are gone. We don't see those big candles. I used to trade during NFP CPI and I used to go with the volatility and I used to make some money also. But these days you will see that most of the newses are just trying to trap the traders. So it has become very risky for traders to trade at the time of news. That's why I requested everyone yesterday not to trade at the time of news, because this market is not ideal for news trading as of now, because most of the time you'll see the market is just showing spikes from up and down, and you'll be trapped. So let's hope for the best that we will see some good moves in the coming weeks or months. But as of now, this market is not ideal for news traders, okay, because the volume is missing. In fact, I remember the last NFP before this, the market was completely flat. We did not even realize that the news was out. Okay, there was no proper movement in the market. Okay, so it has become very dangerous, okay, for retail traders to trade at the time of news. Anyways, yesterday's NFP was good for dollar. You can see US dollar fell on Friday, but trimmed losses against euro and yen after data showed the world's largest economy added more new jobs than expected last month. The unemployment rate did not change. It was 4.2 expected and came around 4.2. But the numbers were good. Okay. And if you look at a chart of gold, then gold came down and it settled around 3240 area. So this is the overall chart of gold right now. Okay. And things are a little bit confusing. Okay, so let's try to understand what is going on in gold and what are the trading opportunities. So listen to me carefully. Look at the chart carefully, you will see that the levels that we discussed on Friday are still very much valid. They are still present on the chart because we do not have any new trading opportunities. Okay, to understand the chart better, let me take you to a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is the 15 minutes time frame, and you can see that the resistance of 3260 3270 is still very much there in the market. 326070, it was a super strong support market, bounce around this area for 5 to 6 times. So we expected this level to work as resistance, and thankfully, okay, this level is still okay working as a super strong resistance. Usually we don't see much volume on Monday. So after the market opening, if you see gold going up, you can expect the market to face resistance again. If you see market showing price rejection from above, you can take a sell position again around this area. By the US session or by Tuesday, Wednesday, I don't think so this level will be valid anymore, because this level will become common and there will be some stop loss hunting. But next time when market will be approaching the level again on Monday, we can expect a resistance, means we can expect a selling opportunity around this area. The second selling opportunity on the chart of gold that we discussed on Saturday is around 3288 3290. This is the second selling opportunity that we discussed on Friday. This is a resistance because let me show you where is feed. I'm just considering the overall chart here and I'm drawing FIBO here. You can see so far the FIBO setup is doing a fantastic job. This is our FIBO 0.236 face resistance. 382 face resistance. Perfect. Okay, so where is the next level? Okay, you can see the next level is around 3287. 328788. So this is the next resistance on the chart of gold where you can expect the market to face some resistance. If market shows some price rejection from above, you can take a sell position here as well. So these are the only two trading opportunities on the chart of gold where we can look for a selling opportunity. You can see that I have also drawn a black line at 3300. This is the range of the market. Okay, we will talk about that also. Okay, but at first, just keep in mind that overall the direction of the market is not clear right now. For the day traders, the direction of the market is not clear. So we are looking for selling opportunity at the top and also buying opportunity at the bottom. In simple words, the market may remain in a range. So when market remains in a range, it means the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. So we can look for trading opportunities on both the sides of the market. When the market was bullish, we were only buying. When market was falling, we were trying to be on the sell side only. But here the market seems to be confusing. When there's a confusion, when we don't know the number of buyers and sellers, isn't it? So we are looking for trading opportunities on both the sides of the market. Okay. And if market drops, then we can look for a support around 321610. This is a big zone. See, 60 pips zone. Can't help it. Okay. Market is demanding. That the yellow box here, okay, is a support on the chart of gold because of previous price rejection around this area. Market is taking support. So we can expect that if market comes down, okay, market will find some support around this area. If you see market taking support for 5 to 10 minutes, hit the buy button. That's it. No need to wait for the hourly candle to close. Okay. If you want to take a little bit risk, you can also wait for just 1 to 2 minutes also. Once you'll see the market is showing good price rejection from below, you can go for a buy position. Okay, and the support of 3200, 3196. Remember this level? Okay, 3200 round number, and on the overall chart around 3196 we have a support. Okay, that level is also very much valid. Okay, the red dotted line. So these are the two buying opportunities on the chart of gold where we can look for a support. You can also see that around 320004 also. Keep in mind that these levels do not work as precise levels. Okay, they work as zones. And Forex is a decentralized market, so numbers may vary in your chart as well. So try to draw this in your chart and take the levels. So the direction of the market is not clear for day traders as of now. As a result, we are looking for trading opportunities on both the sides of the market. Okay, if market goes up, we can look for a sell around this area and as well as around the 3288 because of FIBO 50% retracement level. And 3300 is a round number psychological resistance, and this is the range of the market right now. And if market shows downside after the market opening, we can look for support around the yellow box here, 321016 and 3200 area as well. And I don't think that market will take a direction right now. In simple words, I think the market will remain sideways or market will remain choppy for the next couple of days. Okay, you can see I have drawn a black line at the top of the chart, not top, okay, here around 3300, and I have also drawn a line at the bottom here, around 3150. And I believe that this can be the range of the market for the next few days. Let me show you why. For this, we need to go to the daily chart. Okay, this is a daily chart of gold in front of us. Okay, let me remove the drawings here that we just discussed. Okay, it will be easy for you. Now listen to me carefully again. Okay, see, this is a major level. Okay, this is a major level where the previous resistance is working as support here. So we discussed about this area that around 316, around 3160, 3130 we have a good support. This was the reason, remember? Okay, but here you can see that right now market is also taking support around this particular zone of the market. This is also a minor previous resistance working as support, so this is also a valid level. Okay, but the reason behind these two black lines is that 3300 is a resistance and 314 3150 3130 is a support because of this option chain data. Okay, this is the put data here, you can see we have the highest number of contracts standing at double 3000 level. You can see we have 10,000 contracts standing at 3000 area. So in the month of May, chances are extremely high that market is not going below 3000, because charts may not show many things, but here we can clearly see that around 3000 area, okay, we have a big number of contracts standing at around this level. So we can expect that if market falls also, market is not going below 3000. Those who are expecting that there will be a big correction on gold, gold will be heading towards 2700, 2600, chances are very less. Maybe in the future it may go, but as of now, especially in the month of May, chances are little less. Okay, and surprisingly, okay, around 3140, yes, you can see around 3140, around 3150. Okay, you can see we have big number of contracts at 3140, 5779 at 3150, 3209. So around the previous resistance that will be working as support, we also have contracts there as well. Usually this is not seen. So if market comes down also around 3140, 3150, we can expect a good support. And positional traders, swing traders, day traders, you all can look for a buy position here as well. So before heading towards 3000 level, market will get some good support around this area, and we can look for a buy position. So that's why I believe that this is going to be the range of the market right now. If something big happens, then we may see 3000 number, but otherwise market will face a hard time to cross this area 3140, 3150. And why double three double zero? You can see at double three double zero. Okay, this is a call data. You can see at double three double zero we have the highest number of contracts. So obviously it's not going to be easy for gold to break double three double zero. This data belongs to the futures market, so we can say that it will be 3290, 3295 on our market. So market will find it difficult to cross this area. That's why I said that chances of market, okay, um, is very high that it will be range bound for next few days. But obviously market is driven by news. Okay, stay in touch with news, because globally, okay, there are many things going on. If any news comes out during the weekend, then obviously we will see a direct impact on the chart. Okay, and obviously we will be following the trend of the market. But as of now, we do not have any big fundamental reason that will make the market crazy again. We saw gold was super crazy, super bullish because of the news. Right now, the trade war tension is easing, so we can see gold is in correction. Okay, but if any news comes out from the geopolitics or from the trade war, okay, then obviously market will react again. But as of now, this I feel that this is going to be the range of the market right now, and already I have discussed the trading opportunities. So let's wait and watch how does the market react. Okay, and my dear friends, for any news and update, please join the Trader Next Door official Telegram community so that I can update you guys if anything happens. Okay, there are lots of scams going on in my name also in Telegram. For example, you can see this is a scam going on in my name. Okay, looting people of money. Stay away. Okay, do not fall for this picture. Okay, I am the guy, but okay, they are misusing it. You can see that this is also another scam going on in my name. Okay, this is the only no, this is the only official community we have in Telegram. The link will be in the description. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a safe, reliable Forex broker for trading, then you can consider Star Trader. If you're a day trader, then Star Trader is one of the best option for you. Not only Star is one of the safest broker out there because of their tier 1 licenses, but they also have the membership of the Financial Commission. They also provide insurance up to $1 million. And moreover, the spread is also very low. Why Star Trader is the best for the day traders? Because the spread on gold is only 17. When will you opening the account, the spread will be around 27. But after deposit, just let me know. It's a formality. Okay, just let me know that Avilash, I have opened the account. I have made a deposit any amount. Okay, I will forward the account. The spread will come down to 17. And if you're looking for a swap free account, means you're a swing trader, then you can go with Vantage. Okay, Vantage doesn't require any introduction, tier 1 license broker, big broker. So in Vantage the spread will be a little bit higher, around 22 23. Okay, but here there will be a swap free account. Star Trader is also giving swap free for Indians, but for others, okay, it will be swap charges applicable. But for Vantage, no swap charges. Okay, so you feel free to open account, but keep in mind one thing, that Indians, okay, be careful because of lot of issues going on through third-party deposit and withdrawals. If possible, only go through USDT. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.